Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a 2023 Mazda CX-5 oil change. Here's my oil. Alright, first thing, make sure everything is safe. I suggest you got a pair of a ramp there, and also get a secondary backup. You see I got a 2 jack stand and also 2 jack behind the ramp. Make sure it's safe. And also make sure you got a wheel chokes. Prevent it slipped back. And before you start, make sure you open your oil cap. And also, usually I pull out the stick. All right, we're entering the car. So you're gonna need a screwdriver to take off 2 screws over here. And then use this guy. So it's off. Oil drain plug, that's oil filter. And then I just push that stuff in. Now I'm underneath the car again. Make sure you wear a protective glove. It's gonna be a little hot. And then you need a 17 milliliters socket. I made a mess. All right, then we're gonna take the oil filter out. Last time I screwed too tight, so I'm gonna use this baby to take the oil filter out. All right, it loose. So when you unscrew it, there will be oil coming out. Just let it drill. Alright, looks like oil is almost out in the filter. Let me take it off. So sleepy. It looks like it stopped dripping, and then I'm gonna put the drain plug back. So make sure you always use a new crush washer. Like that, and then you will need a torque wrench. Put it to, so the requirement pound-feet of torque is 23 to 30 pound-feet of torque. I switch it to 27, which is in the middle. All right, we are back in here. Let's put this stuff back. I'm gonna do a cleaning. And then just tighten it using the torque wrench. Then I could just put some oil in the O-ring. Make sure the plastic ring is lubricated. So next time when you put it, take it off, it's get relatively easy. All right. Now I'm gonna put the oil filter back. Alright, so it's stopped. So never use any tool to tighten the oil filter. Only use your hand. Alright, jump to my favorite part. So CX-5 will require 4.7 quarts of oil, but I always put 5 quarts in. It's perfectly fine. Alright, now we're gonna check the oil level. flick. We're perfect. Then put the oil cap back. And don't forget to reset your oil monitor. So here's menu, you go to the information, vehicle status monitor, next service, you click it. Sorry, you go to vehicle maintenance setting, next service date. You can put the date in here and also the distance here. And then we go ahead and start the vehicle. Make sure there's no leak. And then you can put the bar back. And the oil change journey is in. Thank you for watching 2023's Mazda CX-5 oil change. Have a great day.